Okay, this is going to be part 2. Pretty much the same as where we left off yesterday. Or the day before, I guess. We've got that stuff that still needs to get wire wheeled. Here's a nose cone. I already painted the silver stuff, and it looks terrible, but that'll have to do because there's big gouges in it. Thanks to me. I remember before there was a big hole right here, had to fill that in. This stuff is actually Bondo that I used. Piece of wood, I'm going to use 2 eyelets and then shove the main bolt through that. Then just Bondoed up the corners. Actually, I think that's going to do really good in the paint. So I'm going to get nose cone painted and all that wire wheel down and be right back. So we've got the fenders and everything all down to bare metal. So enjoy the painting. Alright, so got the floorboards and the fenders completely painted. All coats. Still got to do a clear coat. Want to wait till they're fully dry for that. Did the bottoms. Both sides of the fenders and the floorboards. Same thing with this fender. The grill. The entire front of the grill. The bottom grill corner, I found one of those that I had laying around. Here's the thing for the light. Holds the light on. The mower deck hanger, or attachment hanger, I guess it's not just for the mower deck. My other engagement attachment lever, the other holder thing. Here's another good look at the grill. It's pretty good, actually, I think, for my first time doing something with fiberglass. Looks pretty good. I know it could be better, but the frame is actually all primed. We did not use a rattle can for this. We used like a automotive sprayer. Turns out the black paint that we had was all wrecked, so the next part of this video will be taking place tomorrow. And the video will just keep going. And so all this is primed. Both sides of everything like you see there. Alright, so I've got myself one of those seats with the red trim now. So you'll see that later. This is the next day now from the last part of the video. And we are getting ready to paint. Looks good.
Not here.
See, we're using an automotive painting thing now. Sprayer, not really a painting thing, but it's a sprayer. Alright, so we got the frame completely painted. Still got to do a clear coat on it. Transaxle, the front piece of the frame, and the back hitch plate is all done. The bottom grill, the mesh for the grill, the grill corner, seat support spring, and all the mower deck hardware is painted. And I also got a Tecumseh 8-horse here that haven't did anything with yet, and it actually almost runs. It's not even a gas line or anything connected to it, but just a new carburetor, and I think that's going to work. I'm thinking it's either an 8 or a 10-horse Tecumseh. So if I can get a good running Tecumseh, that's pretty good. So yeah, let me know what you think on the new build here. And still gonna put the 420 in it because I don't know where I could find an 18 horse Onan. And 420 has a little bit more torque anyway, so the Onan has like 20 foot-pounds, I believe, and that 420 has like 22, so a little bit more torque. Thanks for watching.